Hi and welcome to another unboxing video for CN Gadget. Today I'll be unboxing the Mele PC G01. This is a fanless Intel powered PC stick with running Windows 8.1. And let's have a look at the device. Let's see here, we have a quick start guide here, how to connect the device in English. We can see that we have different adapters for different regions. Another adapter here. Here is the power adapter itself. So this comes on here for European blocks like this. And as we see, the power adapter is a main USB port, which is great. And we have a female to female HDMI adapter included as well. That is great. That means that you can use your HDMI cables instead of just plugging this directly into the TV. So let's have a close look at the device itself. So if we go on from the side here, we have a power button here, first here. We have, let's see, here is the power micro USB power port, full USB port, nothing at the back, external antenna that can be folded here, micro USB port, SD card, micro SD card slot, and another OTG micro USB port here on the side. So here we have the PC G01 from Mele. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe or check the other videos, as I will be doing some quick video on picking up this device and running some tests with different applications. So thanks for watching.